What's up, y'all? It's dark out and I just started trying to take my steering wheel apart. I'm about to install a steering wheel I got from eBay. Wish me luck. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Right now it's 7:02, so let's see how long this takes. Off the rip, when you go to take your airbag off, first please unplug your battery, so you don't just blow all your shit up. Get you something. I just got an Allen key. You can get a punch, something that'll fit in the small hole on the side of your steering wheel to take this off. You're gonna have to feel around. Once you get this in the hole, push your instrument that's going in the hole on the back of your steering wheel, that one, towards the steering wheel itself. So it's like you're pushing it towards your paddle shifters, and then you can. Mission complete, y'all. It's almost 7:30. If you have a punch or something to push this guy out the way and this guy out the way, I would do that, because that Allen key is a motherfucking bitch. We did it, baby. We ain't got no light, but we did it. I'm about to run inside and get the rest of this done. Let's get it.
2,000 years later.
Back in the house. Now all we gotta do is transfer everything here to this steering wheel and we go. Let's get it. It's what we've been waiting for. Yes, sir. Just something simple. I didn't want to go too extra. Says real carbon fiber. And it's beautiful, y'all. Let's get it.
3,000 years later.
Back at it again. So I got this installed after a couple of hours, honestly. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take to install. The seller I got this from, which I won't say, I might put it in the comments, pin it or something. The wiring, so the sockets and everything, I have a heated steering wheel function, y'all see. So the fittings and everything fit like factory, you know, it's plug and play, but the wiring itself, the factory wheel wiring came out of a different area. So I had to do some maneuvering on my own to make sure the wiring could fit in the back of the steering wheel housing and all that. Didn't break anything, thank God. Didn't fray any wires, nothing like that. Everything went together right. It just took a lot longer than I thought it would. And the seller I got this from had no instructions. So I had to find YouTube videos, things like that, to try to install this thing on my own. Like I said, difficulty probably, if it worked the way it should, if the wiring was in a factory location wiring, it would probably be a 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10. But with moving that, it was probably like a 6 or 7, not gonna lie. I had to, it took some thought. I thought about putting the regular one back in here, honestly. But anyways, here it is. All the work was for this beautiful steering wheel. It's something simple. I didn't want to do too much. Some people like the little LED strip. I think that's doing a little too much. I wanted something smooth, you know, almost factory plus, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the white and the white stitching, I mean, with the black car, don't mind the car. It's she kind of ashy right now, but it just hit. It hit. And would I do it again? Yes. I'd probably give myself a lot more time, knowing it would, you know, take some maneuvering. But with that being said, we out of here.